Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and everyone needs a good night's sleep. And this SleepSloth 3D eye mask really helps me to do that. As I get older, I find I'm more and more sensitive to light. The little light that's on my TV, the glow from my humidifier, everything bothers me. If I'm wanting to take a nap in the middle of the day, it's impossible to black out all of the light. So this really does a good job at blocking all of those irritants out from me. The reason why this eye mask works so well is it has this raised cushion all the way around. It kind of looks like goggles, but it's very soft foam that presses up against your face and gives you complete coverage. From the sides of your eyes to around the bridge of your nose, it blocks everything out. And you don't have to worry about it falling off because it has that cushion. You actually can tighten it a little bit more without it creating too much pressure around your head. So this is a really nice, high quality, beautiful looking eye mask that is going to help you get as much sleep as you need every night, and even a little bit of naps here and there, so you can be the best version of yourself. And that's my point of view.